the models that are trained on the New York Times dataset. These are the libraries that we imported. Here we install NLTK, and then we connect to the Google Drive, and then we load our dataset. And here are the labels. As we mentioned a couple of times, the New York dataset is a ranking from 0 to 5, and we can see that we have an imbalance label. Then here we clean the data, and then we remove the stop words, and here we have the stop. We have the data set without the stop words to get the word cloud in both of them. Having the stop words and removing them. As it takes time, I do not run it once again. And then here we have a plot of average word length in news, and we mentioned that this is one of the issues that we faced. We have mostly 6 words in each news article, which is not quite enough to provide information. So we use vectorizer, TF-IDF, and the clean data, and then we split our data into X train and test, and Y train and test, and we have random forest, and then we as they take time, so I do not run them once again. So here we have the confusion matrix for random forest classifier, and we can see that the F score is 0.23, which is not quite acceptable. And then we run SVM, and here we have the F score of, again, something the same, and then we have our logistic regression, and when training our model on the data, we get 0.24, which is not, again, acceptable. So we put this data set aside, and we use the Reuters data set.